Hello lovely people, in today's video, we're diving deep into how to repair damaged curly hair effectively. We've got 5 actionable tips that can help bring your curls back to life, and we're going to explore each of them in detail. Our first stop on this journey to revive your curls is gentle cleansing. Opt for sulfate-free product like Phamily hair care that won't strip your hair of essential oils. Avoid excessive scrubbing or piling your hair on top of your head, as this can lead to tangles and breakage. Now, for a powerful way to rejuvenate your curls, consider nourishing them with Phamily hair care. This is a complete hair care solution which is formulated to provide essential nutrients, hydration, and repair to your damaged curly hair. One of the most significant contributors to damaged curls is heat styling. While it's tempting to grab those curling irons or straighteners, it's crucial to give your hair a break. If you must use heat, always apply Phamily hair care first and use the lowest heat setting that works for your style. Your choice of hairstyles can significantly impact your curls' health. Avoid tight updos, ponytails, or braids that tug on your hair. These styles can cause unnecessary stress and damage. Opt for looser and gentler hairstyles. Last but not least, don't forget the magic of regular trims. Trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks to keep split ends at bay and maintain the overall health of your curls. And there you have it, 5 practical tips to repair damaged curly hair and rediscover the beauty of your natural curls.